Yes, sir, man. I told you guys we're not slowing down at all. We have another early pack just for the vintage squad. So if you're new here, you're just now pulling up, make sure you guys sub up right now. Shouldn't miss out on any of these early exclusive looks just for the vintage squad, man. Let's get right to today's video. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks again for tapping in. And like I said in the intro, if you guys are new, even if you don't want to subscribe yet, man, please leave a huge like on today's video. For every early look that we get, we try to hit that 500 like mark on the video, and I know we can do that with everybody tapping into today's videos. Like I said, man, everybody right now, spam them likes up, spam them comments down below. Let me know what you're thinking about this early heat that I'm showing you guys today. I know you guys see the tee, man. We have on the NOIR tee. These are not live yet, but it is a couple more items on the site that are selling pretty fast. So if you want to support the clothing brand, my clothing brand, I'm going to tap it and I'm going to link it down below in the description box, shopnoir.store. And of course, my Instagram and my Twitter will be linked down below in the description box in case you guys want to tap in over there. And Twitter is probably the most beneficial for you guys, you know what I'm saying? That's where I can instantly retweet information. Like today, BYRD is getting sued by Nike, just along with every other company that's kind of, you know, mocking their sneakers. After Nike, they suing a lot of people, and BYRD happened to be the latest that Nike is going after, trying to get what they're owed. They feel like people jacking their style, and yeah, they went after BYRD. Crazy news today. Like I said, follow me over on Twitter. We talk about a bunch of stuff like that, along with restock, shock drops, and stuff like that, so I can get that information out instantaneously, man. All right, man, we got a special one for you guys today. Shouts out to BYRD Kicks. If you guys do not know who he is, you probably should know already. Literally, like the last 3-4 early looks that I have shown on the channel have been from the homie BYRD Kicks. And if you guys are interested in copping some early from the homie, make sure you guys go tap in with him on IG. I'm gonna put a little screenshot over here, and I'm gonna link his IG down below. 100% authentic OG heat, you know what I'm saying? Nothing fugazi over here. 100% authentic. I gotta say it like 6 times in the video. 100% authentic sneakers from the homie BYRD Kicks. So let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all gotta hit that like button, man, and subscribe right now, bro. We're gonna keep on pushing that, because you guys already know the goal this year is 100,000 subscribers, and we only gonna get there with you guys support, man. So if you guys like these early looks and stuff like that, I need y'all help. I need y'all help, man. Spam them likes up and sub up right now. We have to open the bottom of the box, so let's go ahead and check these out. You guys see the box here, regular Air Jordan 4 box. You guys know 4s are like the new wave. Everybody wants Air Jordan 4s now, or Air Jordan 1s. Even though the 1s resale value is kind of low, people still want them Air Jordan 1s, but especially Air Jordan 4s like this right here. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway. Women's Air Jordan 4 retro, white, oil green, and dark ash. I got these in a size 10.5, and women, which is a size 9, and men, these are a women's exclusive. I wanted to put that out there in the beginning, because me myself, I didn't even know if they were a women's exclusive. That was a regular men's release, but no, these bad boys right here are women exclusive, man. So let's go ahead and pop the lid open. Regular Air Jordan 4 box. You know, recently with the midnight navies, military blacks, even with the infrareds, we got different boxes, but these right here, regular Air Jordan 4 box. You guys see it, and let's go ahead and peel these bad boys open, man. We're gonna peel them over the vintage squad, you feel me? I hope you guys are enjoying this early content. If you are, spam them likes, drop them comments, and 3, 2, 1, bam, man. Check them out, the Air Jordan 4 women's seafoam. So I know you guys remember last year, it was another women's exclusive, the Seafoam Air Jordan 1s that had the same hits of these bad boys right here. And it just so happens to be that they drop it in an Air Jordan 4 silhouette and the 4 model. And I'm honestly feeling the Seafoam 4s a lot more than the 1s. I don't know if it's just me, but it's kind of giving me like some, I don't know, like something like this. It really reminds me of something, a collab, or like a PE, or like some of those signature sneakers you see from, you know, Travis Scott, Off-White. I'm just putting it up there just because we don't really see that seafoam color on an Air Jordan 4 in general, or even in an Air Jordan period, man. So when they threw it on here, I really liked it. When something that would have been crazy, they put that box aside, they would have put that seafoam color on the Nike Air on the back. But we got a regular Jumpman, which I am not going to complain about. these things is tough, bruh. I ain't gonna cap with y'all. I always try to keep it real, authentic, trying to give you guys how, my opinion, my personal take on the sneaker. And I really like these right here. It's not like crazy leather. I just think it's that hit of that sea foam on the side, or like that mint greenish, and you have the same hit on the tongue, bro. Like, so I really think that they did a good job with executing that sea foam colorway on the Air Jordan 4 model. They did it on the Air Jordan 1s, which I did like, but these 4s, I'm telling y'all, these 4s are a lot better in my opinion. I want you guys to let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 4 sea foams. It is a women's exclusive. I'm pretty sure they will do extended sizes on these, just, given the history of them doing, women's exclusive on the 4s. They usually extend those sizes out. I don't think they did it with the cane purples though, but hopefully for my big feet fellas out there, you know what I'm saying, y'all can get that extended size, get an opportunity to cop these guys. Cause look at them, bro. These is tough, bro. Like, I know a lot of y'all probably look at this sneaker like, I didn't even expect it. I didn't even really, anticipate me copping them, but actually seeing them in hand, like I'm telling y'all, these joints is high-key tough. Like, these joints right here is fire, bro. Like, no cap. These are scheduled to release February the 9th. I didn't even know they released so soon. I thought they released like in March or April time frame, but no, these bad boys do release February the 9th, and I think the retail tag is $210 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna leave all the details down below in the description box, and I might put the little retail tag over here on the screen so you guys know how much you're gonna be paying for women's exclusive. It's just crazy how much the retail prices have gone up for women's exclusive, men pairs, GS. Everything has gone up, and especially the Air Jordan 1s, the most surprising and most shocking. I remember copping them back in the day for 160 bucks a pop, and now they're going for $180. And I already know probably by next year, the retail tag for Air Jordan 1 is going to be $200, just like your Air Jordan 2s all the way up, you know what I'm saying? So crazy retail tags, but Jordan doing it, that inflation kicking in, and they hitting us over the head for all these, clean colorways like the Seafoam Air Jordan 4s right here. These joints are honestly giving me like some green glow vibes. So maybe if they didn't want to do the whole Seafoam name, they want to switch up, they could have made these like the green glow 2.0s or something like that. If you guys can kind of peep that real quick, got the green glows right here. One of my favorite Air Jordan 4s in my collection. I actually got these from the homie JD Sneaker Guy. And then you have the Seafoams, and I know there's gonna be a lot of comparison, a lot of people thinking these are like a green glow inspired sneaker, but no, it's a Seafoam. Like I said, last year you did get the Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive Seafoams as well, which I thought were pretty dope. But these 4s, hey, I gotta tip my hat off the Jordan brand. These joints are way better than the ones in my honest opinion. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this little early look of the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. Like I said, they do release February the 9th. I think it's $210 for retail tag. I'm not sure how, people's temperature is about these. So please, 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 I need everybody's comments, thoughts, and opinions over the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams right now down below in the comment section, so I can see, engage how people are rocking out with them, so I can see if they're gonna sit, they're gonna sell, or how these joints are gonna go. Because like I said, man, Air Jordan 4s is like the new Air Jordan 1s. It seems like everybody and their mama want a pair of Air Jordan 4s, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to today's video. Like I said earlier, man, please leave a huge like, especially if you want to keep seeing early looks like this. Shout out to the homie Bird Kicks again for supplying this early look, the early visuals. I know me myself, I'm actually feeling these joints. First, it's gonna go under the radar for me just because I didn't even know they were releasing, but now that I got them in hand, I actually think they are a lot better, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are gonna be anticipating them on the release date. And I feel like it's gonna do some of them numbers like the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats, where they literally set for forever, and then out of nowhere, now they're going for over $800, bro. Crazy story. But yeah, Black Cat's definitely going for a crazy bag right now. I'm doing some sitting everywhere in my local malls. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a huge like on today's video. Like I said, go check out the brand Shop Noir. I'm gonna link it down below. If you want to support your boy's business clothing brand, I would definitely appreciate it, man. Twitter and IG will be linked down below, along with my clothing brand Instagram. All my social media links will be in the description. Let's go tap in if you want to. And again, man, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Appreciate all the love and support. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.